Well, now like this, you can hear the sound. When I wear the headphone, the sound is like very good. You get very good punchy bass. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's with technoboy, and this is a Ubon headset, and I bought this because these days you're having lockdown, so I'm staying at home, and I'm gonna listen to music. All the time, I cannot listen to the big speakers and hi-fi sound, all the stuff. So I bought this headset so I can listen to the music without disturbing anyone. And I like listening music because nowadays for this lockdown I don't have anything to do, just need to stay at home. So stay at home and stay safe and maintain the hygiene as it's been told on the TV. So that's it. And this is a headset from Ubon, you can see, and I selected this one because it's very cheap but very good, and I'm not a headphone kind of guy, so I didn't want to spend a lot of money on the headphone, but I needed a good one with a good bass. So you can see here, Big Daddy bass. So this is a good one, and here you can see the price is 1090, means 1090 INR, but I got it for 400 only from a local store. And on this side you can see it's a 40 speaker and 105 decibel SPL at 1 kilohertz, and impedance is 32 ohms. Frequency response 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, and power capability 150 milliwatt. And plug type 3.5 stereo. That's the model number, HP 1320 champ. Sound setting, smart control, that's it. So let's open this thing. Nothing else in the box. This is the headphone, and you can see the Ubon logo on this plastic. So this is the headphone, and it looks very nice, and can expand that. Alright, the plastic quality is very good, and this the soft pad, ear covering pad, that's good too. But how good it is, that depends on the sound of it. And at the bottom we can see that's the 3.5 socket, and here you get a 3.5 card, but it's not an ordinary card. You can see one side 4 connection are there, and other side 3. So why? Because you have a mic here, you can see, and there's a button here, so you can connect it to your mobile, and the other side connected to the headphone, so you can use it as a headphone and can receive a call and talk here to this microphone. So that's the nice thing about this. And also, if you are connecting it to a PC or laptop like that, then this 4-pin connector may not work properly. In that case, you can use this 3.5 3 connection pins card. You can buy that separately, and you can connect that with your PC or laptop, whatever you want. That's the nice thing. So the card is not attached to the headphone. There is socket there, you can connect according to your need. For mobile you can connect this one, and for PC and laptop, you can connect other card. Simple 3.5 inch. So that's a nice thing. Now it's time to check the sound. Let's open this thing. Connect it here, and that's my mobile. And the NCS song is playing right now. So let's connect this. Increase the volume, and you can hear the audio. Well, now like this, you can hear the sound. It's very tiny, but when I wear the headphone, the sound is like very good. You get very good punchy bass and crystal clear sound. That's what I like. So that's it. And I'm gonna check it later. I'm gonna use this for playing games also in PC and mobile too. So that's it. That's a pretty good deal at 400 only. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and just to remind you again, stay home and stay safe and keep everyone safe. And that's it. See you later. Bye bye.